Abdali Grammar School. General Knowledge 1. Lesson 1. Myself. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Myself. Topic: good quality. Good quality in a person means they are kind, helpful, and try their best in everything they do. They share with others, listen to grown-ups, and make friends easily, just like a good toy that work well. A good kid is someone who makes the world a better place by being their best self. Example: I always speak truth. I always help others. I play with my toys. I put my toys in basket. I complete my homework daily. I like to get up early. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.